Total construction starts rebounded 13% in May, but still lag last year's level of shovels hitting dirt. Non-residential building starts, which include office, hotel, and healthcare work, jumped 18% in May, while non-building activity, such as highways, bridges, and utility projects, grew 20%. Residential starts ticked up 2% during the month. Here are the largest American projects to break ground in May. The Sierra Solar Project. NV Energy will spend about $1.75 billion to build a solar field and convert its last coal plant to natural gas, among other projects. The most notable being its plan to shutter the last remaining coal power at the North Valmy generating station and convert it to a natural gas facility, as well as approving $1.5 billion to develop the Sierra Solar Project in Churchill County in northern Nevada. NV Energy will spend $50 million to convert Valmy's operations to natural gas, and work should be completed by June 2026. The Sierra Solar Project would add 400 megawatts of energy to the NV energy system, and 400 megawatts worth of energy storage. Allegiant Stadium. The fastest stadium to be built in the league. The project was delivered on time and under budget. Ultramodern features create a high-tech, iconic structure that takes its place of prominence on the famed Las Vegas Strip. State-of-the-art features include a retractable natural grass playing field that, when moved inside the stadium, provides outdoor event space for fans. A translucent ETFE roof allows illumination by natural light while protecting fans from the desert heat and glaring sun. The structure includes technology that allows for complete and uninterrupted connectivity for every person in the stadium and their devices. Designed to make game day a day-long event for fans and families, the stadium includes such high-end entertainment venues as a 55,000-square-foot lounge and viewing area in one end zone with an 80-foot-tall, 200-foot-wide set of operable lanai doors that open to a view of the famous strip, and a nightclub just beyond the end zone that opens onto the field. Its features include the first stadium the Raiders have built from the ground up, only the second retractable natural grass playing field in the U.S., the country's most technologically advanced stadium, a first-of-its-kind ETFE roof system, delivered on time and under budget in 42 months, views and connection to the field from anywhere within the stadium. Delta Blues Advanced Power Station. Delta Blues Advanced Power Station will be a 754-megawatt facility capable of powering 385,000 homes across Entergy, Mississippi's 45-county service area. The $1.2 billion investment represents a significant economic impact for the Mississippi Delta, then 300 construction jobs in the area over the next several years, and additional tax revenue for Washington County. Entergy will employ about 21 full-time personnel to operate the plant when it comes online. When fully operational, the plant will provide the state a newer, cleaner, and more attractive power source to highlight when recruiting new industry and jobs to Mississippi. The new facility will be equipped with a combined cycle combustion turbine and dual-fuel technology. While natural gas is the primary resource, it will be designed to support blended hydrogen to produce reliable energy while significantly reducing carbon emissions. BART train control modernization. Four major capital elements comprise the Transbay Corridor Core Capacity Project, intended to reduce crowding and improve service across the bay in response to swells of commuters. 252 additional railcars. Trail control modernization. A new railcar storage yard at Hayward Maintenance Complex, and 5 new power substations to upgrade the electrical system. Together, these improvements are expected to increase train frequencies between San Francisco and Oakland, the busiest section of the entire system, by more than 30%, and boost overall capacity by more than 36%. They'll also cost an estimated $3.5 billion total. Gigabay Starship Assembly Facility. SpaceX is investing $1.8 billion to build a new Starship assembly facility and launch pads along Florida's Space Coast that will support the next phase of the company's deep space missions. Site preparations for the 46.5 million cubic foot facility known as Gigabay have already begun, with construction targeted to be complete and the facility operational by the end of 2026. The 380-foot-tall facility is being built next to the company's Hangar X location at NASA's Kennedy Space Center. Starship rockets will be assembled at the facility before being sent to launch pads. 2 launch pads are being built, one at the Kennedy Space Center and the other at the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. In the coming months, construction crews will build and install deflector systems on the launch pads, which provide cooling and sound suppression water during Starship launches and catches. The Gigabay will solidify the state as the world's hub for aerospace commerce.